Well, we're ready. Almost ready. Got a little bit of rain. We made it here and it's still raining. This is the Rainmaker. Well, we're kind of learning this checklist thing. Here I am back at the house, getting up this morning, getting ready to ride, and I said, hey man, you remember where our helmets are at? Lucky we're only 30 miles away. Up, gotta go, having fun. Well, I forgot the combination. I tell you what, I learned a lot on this trip, and I got to thank my buddy Chris, Facebook friend, for all the help you've given me. Really a pretty nice park. I don't think they're all going to look like this. I sure could handle something like this up in the mountains for a week or two. Well, since our trip in May, we've been busy, you figured out, looking for a toy hauler. We got one. And this is our first time out camping on it, and we're just kind of seeing how things are going to be. There's Marcia. This is Sunday morning, and I've already forgotten our helmets, so I had to get home. We were going to meet up with Let's Ride Gainesville and check the upper deck out, but we're way behind schedule, so me and Marcia are picking up some more things and going out to eat. They got a couple of those police cars. After it was all said and done, we ended up in Dunoon, and we went to the Walmart. We got ourselves an electric grill, and you can see my bar stool on the back of the bike right there, which put a big scratch in my saddlebag too. There's our unit. I bet you they are parking. Still at the campground exploring. They got quite a bit here. Go down there and take a look. Just watch it for gators. What, there's fish there? Huh? Bunch of fish?
Archie, what is this?
Oh, somebody put an old piece of bread in there.
I don't like it.
Oh. How you like this automatic zoom?
Yeah. On this afternoon, take a
Swim
and a cocktail.
Yeah. Get our sippy cups, had an adult beverage.
God, it's this city up there.
This is Williston Crossing, Williston, Florida. How you want you guys eggs, huh? I think the dogs are keeping an eye on the grill for us.
Your what?
The dogs. Well, like I said, we're just trying out the camp and seeing how it goes. It seems like the dogs are doing great. This is what it's going to be about for us, I think. Where we go somewhere, we start opening up our territory, and we start doing a lot of little bike rides, but at the same time, take the puppies with us. Why am I grinning? The sign said all you can eat for something like $13. here we are in Cedar Key. Like I said, it's only about 50 miles from Williston. And of course, the other thing I found out, where we're staying at is supposed to be one of the best campgrounds. I was hoping it wasn't, because I didn't want to start at the top and work down. I wanted to go the other way around. But we're having fun, and the dogs are getting used to it. We'll soon be ready for the open road. This is where me and Morrison had a good margarita at before we headed back. 83 degrees west. That place wasn't open here last time. Well, this will be our last day of riding. From here we headed on back. We did find another RV resort on 24, about 5 miles out from Cedar Key, which we kind of just rode through it to see what it's like now. And then it was on back to the Raptor. I think we're about, I don't know, maybe 5 miles from Cedar Key.
Wonderful.
Ain't a bad looking RV park. Not much around, but they got their own pool and everything here. It is a resort. That's it for the resort. Looks nice. Have to see what the rates are. Is it warm?
Huh?
Is it warm?
Oh yeah, wonderful.
Nice pool. How do you like this place, Marsh?
Oh, this place is wonderful. I'm kind of sad that we started at this place because I don't know if we can
Top it.
Top it.
I know. This is all right, man.
It's fantastic.
And we get to ride motorcycles too. You can't beat that.
Anytime we can come back here. It's not that far away.
Shoot. It's only $10 more a day than keeping the dogs at the kennel. Well, we're kind of checking out our ramp, what we got to do. And it doesn't help that the driveway is going down. These are my Harbor Freight special chocks, and I went ahead and put some bolts in with some sleeves to hold them in. Let's see how this loads. If you don't ever hear from me again, you know it didn't go good. Well, you guys know what this means. Our little 3-day or 3-day 2-night whatever adventure is about over with. But I think everything's going to work out great for a big trip. Shrimp and rice, all the spice. Look, hey Clutch, you better stay in your chair. Tell her Sprocket. Yeah, I think Sprocket and Clutch had a good time, didn't you guys? Hey Clutch, Clutchy. She must be watching a squirrel. Whoops.
Yeah. And here we got Tommy, my son-in-law, to the rescue here.
Well, here's a few pictures. This is when we're getting ready to leave. Man, it just would not stop raining. I was soaking wet by the time I got the truck out to the end of the driveway. We made it there. There's our toast. And I tell you what, I think Sprocket and Clutch like this better than any of us because they got to walk all the time. Ed and Karen came and visited us. And that night we had some good stuff. Pork chops. No, just nice pork chops. And there was my view. Well, that was a good view. And of course, Sprocket and Clutch, they're learning to stay in their chair. That's been kind of hard to keep them. Clutch is very hard at it. But here's just a few picture of one of the neat little areas they have at the park. Sprocket coming back up the steps. And tell you what, nice park right here. We had a great time, and like I said in the beginning, we're hoping this starts a new adventure. I'm hoping that we can open up our territory and start checking out a lot more areas we've been wanting to check out where we can go ahead and beeline it to it. Well, should have more videos coming pretty soon. We'll see you guys on the road.